BrandJuvale. MaterialPlastic. ColorBirds. ReusabilityReusable, Resealable, Zipper. Number of pieces 5. Closure type zipper. Zipper sandwich bags. These reusable food bags feature a top zipper for convenient opening while simultaneously keeping sandwiches, fruit, chips, and snacks fresh until lunchtime. Multi-purpose. Not just for food, use the zipper bags for organizing cosmetics, small toys, baby pacifiers, cash, small jewelry, and other household items. 5 sizes. Our small resealable bags come in small, medium, and large sizes. The large measures 7.6 by 7 inches, medium, 6.5 by 6.75 inches, small, 6.5 by 3.75 inches. Easy to clean. After use, simply hand wash the travel zipper bags or place them in the dishwasher. Ideal for school field trips, office lunch breaks, or road trips. What's included? Includes 2 large, 2 medium, and 1. Top reviews from the United States. Helpful. Things are much easier to find in my diaper bag now. I like the design and the quality of the bags has been good so far.